Good morning, 6 a.m. We're getting ready to head down to Riverside. There's supposed to be a 10K shootout this weekend, but now it switched to a Summer Matsuri 2-day fun event. So we're taking the S2000 down to test. It'll be the first time getting to drive this thing on a track. I have a couple clips of me just messing around in the parking lot that I'll probably add into this video. Beware headphone users, it's pretty loud. So we're getting ready to head up, make the 6.5 hour trip down to Salem Speedway in southern Indiana. Stay tuned and see you guys at the track. What up, guys? We just hit Waffle House. Of course, you gotta hit Waffle House every time you're not in Michigan. Filling up the car with some 85, just filled the truck up. Getting ready. I think we're about 2.5 hours away from Riverside. Super excited to drive this thing. Everything's going good so far. Should get there a little bit before our buddy Jake and have some fun things I think we have planned tonight. We might do some no prep drag racing, so maybe you guys will get to see some video of that. See you guys there. All right, guys, we made it. Riverside Drift. Got the car unloaded. Loaded up a lot better than last time. We got Ryan from Riverside Drift. Yeah, look at it. He's got the super beater out here right now.
I've got spare doors. That's what it's for.
I seen the doors in the trailer up there.
People love right there.
Yeah.
So
we're gonna probably do some practice laps. We just got down here at Salem, Indiana, Salem Speedway. There's gonna be a $50,000 shootout event here. I think it's July 8th through 10th, correct?
yeah.
July 8th through 10th. $50,000 cash prizes. First place is $25,000. There's gonna be a lot of awesome drivers. Chelsea DeNofa, Travis Reeder, Dylan Hughes, Justin Pollock, a bunch of other really cool people are coming here. Highly suggest you sign up. There's going to be some more waves dropping. There's already been a decent amount of sign-ups, and they're just doing it in waves to try to limit how many people sign up at once. So make sure you get on Riverside's website, riversidedrift.bigcartel, and sign up for the event. All right, getting ready to go out for the first time to do a shakedown. Can I just do whatever?
Yeah.
Okay. Feels pretty decent. All right, first few laps. Car honestly feels amazing. Whoever said that these chassis don't drift good is dumb or doesn't know how to set up suspension, or I don't know what. Honestly, I went out there, car feels super comfortable right away. Transitioning fine, car makes good power. I had the fans quit working. One of my fans quit working, and then the second one quit working. I looked down because the car started breaking up a little bit, and luckily Link has a safety for the temperature, so the car got to like 220, started cutting power, and noticed it, keyed the car off, coasted in, noticed my fans weren't working. I also got a small oil leak that looks like it developed from either the return line or the feed line or both. So I'm going to take a look at that after we let the car cool down. And yeah, car feels good, car looks good. See the oil probably down there. I think it shot some on the downpipe possibly, and I don't want to fire, so I'm gonna try to figure it out. And Ryan put this nice sticker on me. Shout out Part Shop Smacks. All right, the boy Sam just did a photo shoot.
Yes, sir.
Hit up Sam.
Pretty good.
Yeah, definitely. Today's been a big success. Got to do some test laps. Car looks awesome. Drives way better than I expected. Joe's over here. He definitely got some bugs in his eyes, that's all. Just a couple bugs, no big deal. They were out there hitting the tube tracks, you know, wheeling. And look who it is.
Pulse pump. Hey.
Mr. 200 Treadwear himself.
Dude, I'm ashamed.
I know, dude. I understand. Sometimes you don't even realize you cheat and you didn't even know it. It sucks, but it happens to the best of us, honestly. But now Jake, he got rid of the E36 and he wanted to get something with a little bit lower treadwear, so he didn't have to worry about any of that. So he got these 900 treadwear. What are they? Oh, Lynx, dude. These are the Link ECU tires. I didn't even realize that.
Full ride, full retail ride, dude.
How'd you get these prototype tires? I haven't even got a chance to try these out yet. What? Sick, dude. Well, we might go do something cool over at the drag strip still, so let you guys know. Jake's trying to run his mouth, but I want to see him run his car. Dude, drag race, you beat me.
It's not a big deal. I'm just on illegal tires.
It is true. They did check him up at the line, and they said he was DQ'd, so that's why he jumped the light. I was also told it was a tree on the first run. It definitely was an instant
Who
green.
told him it was a tree?
I don't know. See, I don't know anything about this. If it's not sideways, it's not my forte.
Well, yeah, Jake treed me because I didn't know there was no tree. It was an instant green. And Jake's really awkward on camera, and it's pretty funny because he just keeps smiling.
But I did win.
He did win. And it's not how he stands by his car. It's how he cheats with his car with the tires.
Yeah, it's...
All right, we're out cruising the track, trying to get some cool down because it's super hot today. And I'll show you guys the layout here. So this is the smaller drift track. I don't know how much you guys will be able to hear me because of the wind. But this is the entry. Starting point's right around here. Come up this way. Initiation's kind of up over here where the dirt's at. You can kind of see on the left where a lot of the tire marks are at. Make sure you don't handbrake right here because that is the incorrect way to do it. Just kidding. Do it however makes you feel better and what you're comfortable with. Come over into the pocket nice and deep. Big sweeping left-hand turn. Kind of a double apex corner almost. Stay wide, left foot brake, come into the inside here. This is an outer zone here. Nice little off camber corner, adds some technical aspect to the track. Interclip, touch and go out on this side here. Into another outer in this last corner, up against the wall. That's Track Maps by Justin and Jake.
There's no sign of it.
Turn the light on.
I'm going to stop it.
Oh, you're not doing it.
I just wanted to get out. I'm just kidding. Do it, pussy. Right there, go right there. Yeah, sick joke.
Silently pulls up next to me. He's like, you know, I'm not gonna do it.
Seriously? If you hit the golf cart.
Dude, the exhaust off the golf cart? No.
Try it again.
Let's try it again. All right.
More, more. Dude.
Take the can out.
Yeah.
That's the only fuel I have left for tomorrow. Oh, never mind. I'm out.
Ready to send.
Oh man, it got faster.
Go.
I'm watching all my dreams fade away. Every time he hits it. Fuck, dude. Yeah, no, hang on. We first came over here because Ryan said there's a jump and then farther drop right there. That's what Ryan wanted us to do, go straight off.
Yeah, dude, straight.
Yeah, like what?
If you just hit the railroad tie head on, dude, you'll be fine.
Just gotta air the tires up a little bit so they'll bounce a little bit.
You gotta crawl it.